Tips to improve communication skills. To ensure customers have a positive experience with hospitality workers, it's important to equip them with the necessary skills in communication in the hospitality industry. We strongly recommend you to be courteous, cheerful, and clear. Listen to your clients. It's a crucial way to fulfill their desires and requirements. 4 tips to improve communication skills. Be clear. It's very funny to say this as a Ukrainian guy, as a guy from Ukraine that was born in Soviet Union and speaks with strong accent. Anyway, be clear, use simple language and avoid jargon and technical terms. Speak in a clear, concise manner and always be sure that the customer understands what you are saying. Be courteous, always be respectful and polite with customers. Acknowledge their concerns and address them in a timely manner. Be positive. Welcoming attitude can go a long way in the hospitality industry. Customers want to feel valued and appreciated. So maintain a positive tone when communicating. Listen carefully. Listening is just as critical as speaking. Give customers your full attention and listen to what they want to say. This is why we have 1 month and 2 years. So when you dealing with your customers, you should spend around 70% of your time listening. Training and development of communication skills. Developing and enhancing communication skills is possible. You must invest in it. Customer service, dispute resolution, and communication skills should all be learned. Plan for developing communication skills in the hospitality industry. So let's mention some steps, descriptions, and I will provide below this video. You will find the list of the books to read. Steps. Assess current skills. Description of this step. Conduct a communication skills assessment in the company. It can be done through surveys, interviews, or focus group discussions. I would definitely provide some training and implement this as a part of the training procedure. Identify skills training needs. This step include active listening, conflict resolution, verbal and written communication, customer service, and teamwork. Develop training materials. Resources for it should cover the identified training needs. For instance, e-learning modules, video tutorials, case studies, and role-playing scenarios. Deliver training. You can use various methods such as workshops, seminars, and outline training sessions. Ensure that training is interactive, practical, and relevant to the industry and to your business. Provide coaching and feedback. Do this through regular performance evaluations, role-playing exercises, and ongoing training. Reinforce learning. Provide ongoing opportunities for practice. This can be achieved by assigning specific communication-related tasks, encouraging participation in team meetings, and providing feedback on communication performance. Evaluate effectiveness. Always measure the success. It can be done through surveys, focus group discussions, and performance evaluations. Use the feedback to improve the training program continuously. If you want to approach this subject independently, consider earning BBA and MBA in hospitality management. Your studying will take about 5 years and huge amount of money. But if you want to get the most essential knowledge and skills communication in the hospitality industry quickly and from experts with 10+ years of experience, you should pay attention to our hospitality consulting services. Below this video, you will find descriptions of our products.